If you determine why and how a client's personal data, even just a name and phone number, is processed, you are a data controller. Under the Data Protection Act and 2026 enforcement standards, registration with the Office of the Data Protection Commissioner is mandatory for almost all businesses. It is no longer a grace period issue. The ODPC is actively auditing SMEs. If you handle data, you must have your certificate of registration. The legal penalties are significant. Under Section 63, administrative fines can reach up to 5 million shillings or 1% of your annual turnover, whichever is lower. However, the hidden cost is the reparational damage. In a digital economy, once a developer or business owner loses a client's trust through a data breach, that brand equity is nearly impossible to recover. Compliance is an investment, not just a cost. First, register. Get your entity on the ODPC portal immediately. Second, draft a localized privacy policy. Don't just copy-paste from the web. It must reflect how you handle Kenyan data. Third, employee sensitization. Most leaks aren't hacks, they are human errors. At Borona Advocates, we help you build a culture of privacy that protects your liability from the ground up. An environmental impact assessment license from NEMA is your project's legal heartbeat. It isn't a formality. It's a statutory requirement under EMCA. Without it, NEMA or even a neighbor can secure a stop order in court. In Mombasa, we've seen multi-million shilling developments sit idle for years, accumulating massive interest on loans, all because they broke ground before the EIA was approved. The risk is total loss. Kenyan courts have recently affirmed that an illegally issued title, such as one for land on a protected wetland or riparian reserve, cannot be protected, even if you bought it in good faith. In coastal areas like Mombasa, the government is strictly reclaiming these zones. Your title can be revoked and your building demolished without compensation. We provide eco due diligence to verify boundaries before you commit your capital. We believe that the future of Mombasa depends on sustainable development. Ethical advocacy means we don't just help you get around the law. We ensure your project is built on a solid foundation that respects the environment. We represent clients who want to build legacies, ensuring the Mombasa of tomorrow remains as vibrant and beautiful as it is today.